Welcome to another One Monroe Minute. Today we are heading over to Mendota Heights, Minnesota for a chat with General Manager Bryce Anderson on hand trucks. Hand trucks, also known as hand carts or dollies, are small wheeled devices used to move heavy or bulky items. They typically consist of a platform or frame with two wheels at the base and a vertical handle at the back. Hand trucks are usually made of aluminum, and some models can be folded for easy storage. They are often used in warehouses, retail stores, and delivery services to move boxes, furniture, and other heavy items. Some hand trucks are designed specifically for certain types of loads, such as food and beverages. So today we are going to focus on hand trucks specific to the food and beverage industry. Hi Bryce, how are you doing today? Thanks for meeting with us.
My pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me.
So Bryce, how would customers go about choosing the right hand truck to meet their specific needs?
So when we make recommendations for hand trucks in specific industries, we typically try to identify what type of products will be moved first. So if we're looking at a beverage delivery, such as kegs or liquor, we may recommend a curved back hand truck to support and hold the kegs and keep them in place. But if we're looking at boxes of beverages such as wine, beer, or soft drinks or snacks, we're looking at flat backs because we want the products to be supported as much as possible. So that would be an initial recommendation that we might recommend to the customers depending on what types of products they're moving on the hand truck.
Can hand trucks be customized to meet specific requirements?
Hand trucks are fully customizable, and along those lines, we can recommend a shorter frame and a shorter overall height for shorter drivers. We can recommend a taller frame and a taller overall height for taller drivers. And again, depending on if they're going up and down stairs or in and out of narrow aisles, we may change the design and structure of the hand truck to better accommodate where they're moving the hand truck. Help improve ergonomics for the driver to reduce the risk of injury on their back or their legs, and just make it easier for them to navigate the tight spaces that they're delivering their products into.
So what kind of maintenance is typically required for hand trucks?
Yeah, not only do we sell the whole good, we're very good at supplying full fleets of new hand trucks to food and beverage companies, but with Monroe having local locations in a lot of different markets across the U.S., we can fully service and repair the hand trucks to keep them in use for a lot longer. So we can do complete hand trucks, we can sell replacement parts, and in addition to the replacement parts, we will provide the service and repairs to the customers and the drivers in our local markets.
So Bryce, what sort of lead times can customers expect when ordering your hand trucks?
Yeah, so we do stock a large line of fully assembled hand trucks, which we keep in stock for our customers readily available. If we have it in stock, a typical lead time on a hand truck would be 1 to 2 days.
That's great. Thank you, Bryce. So is there any additional information you would like to cover today?
Yeah, the one thing I'd like to mention is one thing we are really good at is the customization aspect of our hand trucks. As you can see behind me, we offer powder coating and custom colors on our frames. This is not only good for theft prevention, but it's great for brand recognition, and it just provides something a little unique and slightly different. So if you want to brand your hand truck specific to your company or do something a little unique, ask us. We've got a wide range of colors that we can offer you and just make them a little more cool and unique for you and your delivery drivers in your field.
One Monroe stocks a variety of hand trucks custom suited to your specific needs. So get in contact with one of our sales engineers today to see how we can help. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on our One Monroe Minute.